Get to a certain point in your life, you need to give back. That's what we're going to be doing April 13th. We have my new charity, Freedom Fight, that is a Texas Hold'em event. This is going to be 3,000 pesos to enter. Half of the funds are going to be going towards the winners. Half of the funds are going to be going towards sponsoring fighters. Now, we're not just giving out this money to kids. I don't believe in giving fish. I believe in teaching people how to fish. That we're going to be having tryouts. Kids that do good, the kids that show heart, the kids that really want it, well, we're going to be giving them free sponsorships. Now, some of the kids that are very good, we're going to be giving out a year of free training, high quality, healthy food, so that way these kids can focus just on training. This was one of the things that got me to where I am right now, one of the things that taught me about work ethic. It's my responsibility to give back to these kids. So myself and of course the Cabo One team, of course we're going to be having other events similar to this. The day before this, we have our open house at Villa Besame. That is going to be April 12th. Luxury agent open house only. Before that, we have our Coco's open house. This Saturday, March 30th, we're going to be giving out a $1,000 bonus on top of 4 points. We're going to be having some drinks, beers. We're going to be having a good time. Probably some beer pong, some Texas Hold'em, some, you know, we like to play games. We like to have fun with these events. And if it's not fun, why do we do it, right? So we definitely appreciate your guys' help on this. Now, we have an open house in Coronado. This is one of the best Coronados I have ever seen. This is 5 bedrooms, and actually it's 6 bedrooms. It's because they're using one of the bedrooms just for the Sono system. It's that massive. It has all smart technology throughout. One of the biggest pools you have ever seen. It's located at the end of the cul-de-sac, so you have city view in the night. You have an awesome ocean view and a golf view during the day. This is turnkey, as nice as it gets, but here's the kicker, guys. We're accepting financing, 50% down and 10 years on the balance, and we are motivated on this one. So come with an offer, and we're gonna get a deal done, all right? So I will see you guys Thursday, 2 p.m. to 6 p.m., Coronado in Quivira. Make sure you message my boy Saul. I'm gonna put that number down below so you get on that RSVP list, and I will see you guys on the next video.